Welcome to this tutorial. Today I'm gonna show you this trick. So we shuffle it like so. No fun in business here. So then you choose one card. Choose this card. Okay. Take it on the top. Then we're gonna find the jokers. We have one joker here. What are we? One joker here. So then we take these two, put in two jokers, put into here, and we do so. Then we take so. Then we wrap this one, and your card was Ace of Clubs. So now to the tutorial. So you to the tutorial. So you have to remember this card. So you shuffle the card like so. So shuffle. So then you have to be careful. You can, when you shuffle almost down, you can do so, and you if you don't make sure you have a card, you can make this so, then you get a glint there. Then you do a false river shuffle. So you do this, and you take this one first. So this is a riffle false shuffle, and then you do it again, and remember which pile you have. So this pile, So then you face it, make it face it, and I do it. So now you have this on this card. Then you make them choose a card. Which card? This card they choose. Then you make a pile here. Take this card here and take this card on top, so you know which card they are choosing. So now you have to get the jokers or kings or wherever you want to do. We call it jokers. You take the jokers, and I have a joker here. Then make sure you spread so you see which card is. So, do you have an whatever you have it? There we have it. Here we have it. Not the greatest, but now we got, when you find this card, you got it. Make sure it's on the bottom. Then you take this one and you place it here, and place other one here. So become so, like so. Then you take the other card. So this. So now you got this card, and you take this deck on the other hand. Other case, then there will be, can be trouble with do this, like so. When I do this not trouble, but you know what I got. So there you have it, this Joker card 6. I hope you enjoy this and subscribe for more videos.